Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos. So let's pretend our ducks are in water. What shape will we use for the body?
Rectangle or a triangle.
Okay, so you can maybe do a triangle like this, or you can do a rectangle. Another one you can do is a circle. So you can actually use either one. So let's for now go with the triangle. And then what shape should we use for the head?
Hey, Marshall?
A circle.
Yep. Okay. So, and then let's connect the head to the body. And what shape should we use for the beak?
A triangle.
Yeah. Okay. There you have your duck. So you can also play around with the shapes to make them bigger. And for the beak, you can use a triangle. You can also use a circle. Sometimes a circle is kind of funny. So if you want to use a circle for the body, you can also use a triangle for the wings, like this. Okay, so if he's standing, why don't we just use straight lines with feet, like this. Okay? Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.